Hello everyone. Now today we learn about cultivation of brinjal crop. First we learn about introduction of brinjal. Brinjal is also known as eggplant. It is an annual herbaceous often cross-pollinated crop. Annual crop means those crops complete their life cycle within one season or within one year is called as annual crop. Often cross-pollination crop means it involves both self and cross-pollination. It is called as often cross-pollination. Regarding production, in world, China ranked first in production of brinjal with share 64% and India ranked second with share 27%. In India, West Bengal first in production behind the Orissa and Bihar. Regarding productivity, Karnataka state first in possession. Then botany of brinjal. First, botanical name of brinjal, it is Solanum melongena. Family Solanaceae. Origin India. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 24. White color brinjal is used for diabetic patient. Dark purple brinjal have resource of vitamin C. Heterostyle is common in brinjal. Hetero means dissimilarity in their style according to their length. There are 4 types. That is first long style, second medium style, third pseudo short style and fourth short style, in which maximum fruits are set by long style flower which have 70 to 86%. Second medium style 12.5 to 55.6%. Another pseudo short and short style flowers does not set into fruit. The climate, it is a warm season crop and is very susceptible to frost. Cool night and short summers are unfavorable to its satisfactory yield. Third, it requires a long growing season with the high average day and night temperature. Its seed germinate well at 25 degrees Celsius temperature and a daily mean temperature of 13 to 21 degrees Celsius is most favorable for successful production of brinjal crop. Then soil and its preparation. It can be grown on different type of soil. Fertile and well drained soil are desirable for maximum production of brinjal crop. Its production is maximum on sandy or sandy loam soil. Then soil pH is ranges in between 5.5 to 6.0. Then layout and spacing. First, we prepare seedlings are on raised beds. After preparation of seedling, after 1 month or 15 cm height, they are ready for transplanting to the main field in a ridges and furrows method at a proper spacing according to their soil and cultivar. In light soil, the spacing is 75 by 75 cm. For hybrid cultivar, it is 90 by 75 cm. And in heavy black soil, 90 by 90 cm. And hybrid in a heavy black soil, that is 120 to 90 cm, which is recommended by the according to the species and according to the soil type. Then sowing time and seed rate. Sowing time is depend upon the season. First season is Kharif season. Kharif season, in the month of May-June, seeds are sown on a raised beds and they are ready for transplanting in the month of June to August in main field. In Rabi season, seeds are sown on raised bed August to September month and they are ready for transplanting in the month of October to the November. And in summer season, the seeds are sown on raised bed December to January month and they are ready for transplanting into the main field in February month. Then seed rate. 400 to 500 gram per hectare for local cultivar, and for hybrid it is a 120 to 150 gram per hectare. Then improved variety. First, Manjrigota, Vaishali, Pragati, Krishna, Phule Hari, Phule Arjun, that is mean also known as RBH 9, Pusa Purple Round, Pusa Purple Long, Pusa Purple Cluster, Pusa Kranti, Anuradha, Aruna. Then we detail information of particular variety regarding the Manjrigota cultivar. First, Manjrigota, which is developed by MPKV Rauri in 1965. MPKV means Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapit Rauri in 1965. It is a selection from local germplasm plant, medium, tall and spreading. Fruits round purple with white tips, spine on leaves, midrib and peduncle of fruits. On an average yield of Manjrigota cultivar is 250 quintal per hectare. In Vaishali cultivar, it is developed by MPKV Rauri in 1985. It is selection from cross of Manjrigota into Arka Kusumakar. Plant medium tall and spreading. Fruits are borne in cluster, oblong purple with white strips. On an average yield of Vaishali cultivar is 350 quintal per hectare. In Pragati, it is also developed by MPKV Rauri University. Then in 1988, it is a selection from cross of Vaishali into Manjrigota. It is a improved version of Vaishali cultivar. Egg-shaped purple fruit with white strips, borne in cluster with spine on pedicel. On an average yield of the Pragati cultivar is 350 quintal per hectare. In Krishna cultivar, it is developed by MPKV Rauri in 1991. It is a F1 hybrid plant, tall and hardy and resistant to lodging. Egg-shaped spiny purple color fruits with white strips and borne mostly singly or occasionally in a pair. On an average yield of Krishna cultivar is 480 quintal per hectare. Then Phule Hari. It is also developed by MPKV Rauri in 2002. It is good for roasting purpose. Fruit are green in color with white patches and apical end. Season Kharif and summer. On an average yield of Phule Harit is 200 quintal per hectare. Then Phule Arjun, it is also known as RBH 9. It is developed by MPKV Rauri in 2011. It is a high yielding cultivar. Fruits are oval, thorny, attractive green in color with purple and white strips. Season Kharif and summer. Next, Pusa Purple Long. It is selection from Bhatia cultivar grown in Punjab. Long fruits, shine skin, early maturity. These are the main important characteristics of the Pusa Purple Long cultivar. Then important point is manures and fertilizer. Manures, that is 30 to 50 cartloads of FIM or compost is applied at the time of field preparation or at the time of last harrowing. The FIM or compost is well decomposer, and fertilizer dose is recommended by our MPKV Rauri University, that is 100:50:50 NPK kg per hectare. The fertilizer dose is split into two times, that is full dose of P and K, half dose of nitrogen at the time of transplanting, and after 1 month or at the time of fruit development, the remaining half dose of nitrogen is given. Then irrigation is depend upon the season. For in summer season, irrigate the field at every 3rd or 4 days. In winter season, after every 12 to 15 days interval. Timely irrigation is very important for high yield of brinjal crop. harvesting. Fruits are harvested when they are immature. Maturity indices of brinjal fruits. The fruits are allowed to attain a good size and color till they do not lose their bright or glossy appearance and become dull. Harvesting is done by cutting small shear or a knife. On an average yield for local cultivar of brinjal, that is 20 to 30 tons per hectare, and for hybrid cultivar 40 to 50 tons per hectare. Then thank you for watching this video.